Jackpot an Bord, will von hier über London direkt nach New York. Denn ab heute lebe ich jeden Tag, als ob ich morgen tot wäre. Laufe durch den Park und werf mein Geld, als ob es Brot wäre. Yeah, nur noch Kaviar, Champagner oder Shampoos. Baby, ich erfüll dir wirklich jeden Wunsch mit Handkuss. Frühstück in Paris und danach joggen auf Hawaii. Und um das Ganze noch zu toppen, gehen wir shoppen in L.A. Also pack dir deine Zahnbürste ein, denn ab heute bist du mehr als an nur einem Ort daheim. Mit meinem Babe in der Hand und nem Safe an der Wand können wir tun, was wir wollen und das Leben ist...
German class is never boring. We're always learning new things through music, stories, games, and videos. We also do tons of cool projects, from making our own music videos to designing our dream cities. But class isn't just fun, it's also effective. German students pass AP and IB exams at very high rates every year.
I've really enjoyed the reliability of the German class, and having the same teacher for all 4 years really lets you know what's going on, and you can form really valuable connections while learning a great language and a great subject. The German program at CHS is unique. No other language class has such a close, tight-knit group of students.
Claremont High School is a PASH school, so we receive support from the German government, which provides students with unmatched opportunities. Students travel to Germany for summer programs, participate in global sustainability conferences, travel to German film festivals, compete in academic triathlons, and more every year.
German is not just a class at CHS, it's also a club. German Club is the oldest and most active language club on campus. We hold dozens of fun events, field trips, and activities every year, including hosting our own Oktoberfest, traveling to Hollywood to see a German film, singing holiday carols at a local senior home, visiting elementary schools to teach about German culture, and so many more.
German is unique at Claremont High School as the only language program to offer an exchange. Every year, students travel to either Gelsenkirchen or Munich. And through this experience, they improve greatly at German and make friends and memories to last a lifetime.
Deciding to take German at CHS with Fratzai was one of the best decisions I made going into high school. It allowed me to meet so many new friends, have great experiences, and I'm now graduating with the ability to speak German. This is super useful if I decide to pursue a future study abroad opportunity and could potentially give me a leg up when pursuing a career, as knowing any second language, but especially German, is a very valuable skill to have in the workforce.